Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Shriya Shubham. Today we are going to discuss about topic structure of an atom. Atom. What is an atom? Atom is the basic building block of any material which is existing upon this earth. So due to existence of an atom in this world, every material exists. And the further question arises, if the atom is basic building block, then it can be divided further or not. And the building block we can see in real life as the bricks. Bricks are used to make a wall, building or house. In the same manner, atom is also a building block for any matter, any material in this world. So then what is the difference between atoms? That if we have two different materials, then how we can know on the behalf of their atom? So further question arises with can we simplify an atom with different adjustment, or what is inside an atom? Then one scientist, where John Dalton, he had said that atom is indivisible, means atoms can't be divided further. Now the question arises, right? How it can be done? How it is possible? Then the various scientists have come to clarify this issue. So the first model was proposed by J.J. Thomson's. The second one was Rutherford's model. Third one was by Niels Bohr's. Then the Thomson has proposed that atom is like a positive charge, or atom is a positive charge, and inside that electrons embedded, right? A positive charge which is an atom, and electrons are embedded into that. Then the question arises that how a positive charge can accommodate an negative charge? Then the Thomson's model get over. Now Rutherford proposed another model regarding a structure of an atom or adjustment of electrons inside an atom. He has proposed that every atom has a very teeny particle inside the center, right? Inside the center, and that teeny particle is regarded as a nucleus, and electrons revolves around nucleus. Then the question arises again, if electrons revolves around an nucleus, then according to rule of energy, there is no conservation of energy, because if electron is revolving, then after some time that will lose their energy, and this will come close to the nucleus, and then finally that will fallen down into nucleus, and then atom will be vanished. Means Rutherford's model also gets over. Now Bohr has proposed an atom's model. According to him, every atom has inside the center, it has a very teeny particle on its center that regarded as nucleus, and around the nucleus there were electrons revolving with a distinct energy level. Means Bohr has clarified the fact that electrons obviously revolves, but each and every electrons have a different energy level. Means the electrons are not going to fallen into a nucleus, right? He has proposed that suppose this is an atom, this whole is an atom inside this nucleus, and it has a different energy levels. The different energy levels has regarded as K classes, different level of classes, K, L, M, N, and so on. Hence, the energy levels was what? The levels of electrons, and the electrons was regarded as 2n square, means which class have what number of electrons? K is equals to first class, L equals to second class, M equals to third, and N is equals to fourth class. This is the formula that number of electrons means in first means K, there will be 2 electrons. In second, there will be 8 electrons. In third means inside M class there will be 18 electrons, and into this 32 electrons, means this K will accommodate 2 electrons, this L will accommodate 8 electrons, and this M will accommodate 18, and this N will accommodate 32 electrons. So this is proposed model of atom by Niels Bohr. Thank you.